Alright, so today is going to be a fajita day. I am going to cook beef fajita and I'm going to show you guys the easy way to do it using our Ninja air fryer / indoor grill. So this is really a game changer for us mom. You know, you don't have to turn on, especially dad, you don't have to turn on your barbecue pit. It takes long time, you know, 2 hours probably. I don't know, like my husband do it all the time, like turning on the barbecue pit. It takes a little while to do it just because he have to clean the, you know, the barbecue pit, turn it on the fire, wait for it to really like ready to use. But today I will show you how to do the beef fajita using our Ninja indoor grill. How many minutes this thing's going to be, and take note, it's minutes, it's not hour. And all the ingredients that I'm going to use, it's not a lot, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just 6. All in all, including the meat, all right? So let's begin. All right, so for the fajita beef, I am going to use this Blaze tenderized. This is already tenderized beef fajita, and this is 1.1 pounds or 1 pound beef fajita. All right, and then for our vegetables, easy. I always go to frozen vegetable, which of course it's safe and organic. So we are going to use a beef fajita blend. And for the seasoning, I always use this Texas beef fajita seasoning. This is really tasty, guys. It's really good than other fajita that I used before. And also, this is my secret thing. I always add this cayenne pepper. This will give kick in your fajita, I promise. All right, and for the side, of course, I already mentioned the beef, blend, fajita blend, and I have here a little this pico de gallo. This is the medium spice, I guess, strength, how spicy you want it. And I didn't know that it's super small. I ordered this last night and they delivered it today using Shift. You know, guys, Shift is really good when it comes to as mom like me that doesn't want to go to stores. I just order it online and they deliver it with care and love. Yeah, they're really good in communication. Like they will text you and tell you, hey, this product is not available, what do you want me to do you want to substitute it? And you have to make sure that, especially with fruits, tell them that, hey, I want a green banana, or I want a little like fresh fruit, something like that, and they will do it for you. Going back to this pico de gallo, like this is my fault that I did not check the size. I mean, yeah, the sizes, the ounces, whatever. Oh, it is like really small for us. But anyways, this would be the size. And the last one is our tortilla. I use flour tortilla than corn tortilla. It's just, I know it's unhealthy, but I mean, it's more tastier, I guess. All right, so let's begin this fajita day. All right, guys, so we are going to start by seasoning our fajita. The way I do it is I just kind of pour this out. I am very generous putting this seasoning because this is going to be like the secret here to make your fajita tasty. So I'm going to add our cayenne pepper just like that, and then you have to really massage this thing, make sure that it is really spread out evenly, and repeat the process on the other side. And if you think you need to add more seasoning, go ahead, don't be afraid. It's not overwhelming, but enough for you to say that, oh, this is fajita, this is beef fajita, you know. And after that, I'm going to just let it set in for a few minutes, and then we are ready to grill it. Alright guys, so now this is the time to preheat our Ninja air fryer / indoor grill. This time we are going to use grill in medium heat. So let me show you guys how I do it. Okay, so we have here grill, air fryer, roast, bake, dehydrate. So we are going to use this one. All right. You just have to press this grill. I'm going to use the medium one because this is the fajita. It is easy to cook. I mean, it is already tenderized. You don't have to worry about it is not going to cook well. I always like well done fajita. So alright, so that is 450 Fahrenheit. If you go to like high or max, that's 500 or 510. I think it is too much. You're gonna burn the fajita. So let's go to medium, and then let's just preheat that. And that's it. For the timer, we are going to start with 8 minutes, because this is the one that I tested. 8 minutes, back and forth, like 4 minutes, and then you flip it again, and another 4 minutes. So that's it. It's automatic. When you set it for 8 minutes, it's automatic. It's gonna go. All right. So let's just wait for that. By the way, guys, I have to show you what I used for grilling. Hold on. So I replaced my basket for air fryer, because you have this air fry basket here. You have to use this one. This is going to help your fajita too, because this is really for grilling. All right. The other one, the basket, is for air. All right, everyone. So now we are ready to put our food. And let's just open this like that. Okay, and then let's put our fajita just like this. Okay. Then the one is like that. Okay, so that is going to be 4 minutes. So we have here 8 minutes, and after 4 minutes we have to flip that. Okay. All right, everyone. So it's time to flip this. Look at that. Told you. All right. So look at that. All right. Let's close that in. It's another 3. Alright guys, so this is our fajita here. Look at that, it's only 8 minutes and you got this precious gem here. Alright, so let's cut this now. Alright, so let's cut this one here first. Oh my goodness, look at that. So look at how our fajita is. See that? Like, it is super tender, it's well done, and only for 8 minutes, guys. It's super juicy. Look at that. For 8 minutes, man, that is game changer for beef fajita. All right. Okay guys, so now we are done with our meat, the beef fajita, and then now we are moving on to the vegetable or the side dish. All right, so we are going to use this, like what I said, the fajita vegetable blend, and I'm only going to use half of it. All right, but the thing is, I am also going to use the Texas seasoning fajita, or the Texas beef fajita seasoning. All right, so we are going to use half of the vegetable blend for our fajita. And using this Texas beef fajita seasoning, just give a little taste for this vegetable, and then just mix it all together. And then we are ready to use our Ninja air fryer indoor grill again. So it is going to be the same thing. We are going to use a grill, but the only difference is I am going to use high heat. All right, and then let's preheat that. All right guys, so now it's ready. I have to put that in there and kind of just spread it like that. As if you're sizzling, and then you kind of just set it, and you'll see later, like that. Alright, and then just close it for a while. And this is not going to be a lot of minutes, it's only 1 minute and that's it. Alright, it's done and it is going to be like that. So we're going to get this out from here. It's a little burn there, but it's fine. How it's supposed to be. Alright. If you want it to be like more burn type veggie, now you can add like another minute, but I like it like that. Alright guys, so now we are done with our beef fajita, and look at this. This is so yummy and I am so proud of it. Like, this is only for 8 minutes cooking, guys. Like 2 minutes preparation and 8 minutes, and that's it. You have beef fajita. You don't have to order it, or you don't have to go to any restaurant. It's homemade, and I know my husband's gonna be so happy to try that. And look at my little girl. All right, everyone. She's already hungry, and I know she loves fajita. And that's it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope I helped, you know, mom out there that is really wanted to try different things, make things easier. And of course, our Ninja air fryer is the best decision ever. All right, guys. So I hope to see you guys next week or in my next video. And please stay safe, and God bless you all. Bye. Goodbye.